Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to create gradient effect and also how to add an outline to gradient text. First of all, change the background color to black, scroll down to apps and search for type gradient. Open this one, just wait a second. Okay, look at this. You can change it according to your need. It is completely up to you. You can create a whole sentence or a single word. Here I will choose a single word. You can change the font also. I will like this one. Okay, add to wait. You can choose the colors also, whichever you want. Okay, this looks pretty good, but I will like only two colors. Okay, one will be red color. Red. Yeah. Here I will like yellow. Okay. Customizing here. Where it will look good, I will choose. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here it is looking pretty good. Okay. Add to design. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay. Now I will show you how to add an outline. Download selection. Download the PNG. Transparent background. Okay. Now move it to here. I will delete the previous one. Okay. Add it. Here I will look for shadows. Here outline. Change the color. I will like white color. Yeah. You can change the size also. You can change the intensity of the outline. This is looking pretty good. This is looking, yeah, good. So this was today's video. Hope so you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for amazing videos like this.